how you doing? It's your girl back again. Karibu sana to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If it's your first time, you're so much welcome. Kama umerudi, thank you so much for doing so. Once again, this is a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. And today, guys, we are making beef stew. So let's introduce our ingredients. With me here, I have meat. Guys, I have boiled this meat using ginger and garlic. Please do so. You are going to get nice results. Then over here, I have some peas, minjin. Then on this plate, I have grated 3 cloves of garlic. I have some little carrots over here. Then I have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I have my coriander. I have my onions. Then here with me I have salt, definitely. I'll be using garam masala, paprika, beef cube, my best, and I have grated 2 large tomatoes. So right away, let's do this thing. So I'm going to add in my onions. Then at this point, guys, I'm going to add in my garlic and let it cook. Then the next step, I'm going to add in my meat. So the next step, guys, we are going to add in our tomatoes. Then I'm gonna come in with my tomato paste. Next, I'm gonna add in my carrots. Then half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. And 1 beef cube, like that, and tie it all in nicely. Then at this point, I'm going to add in my peas. They are boiled, guys. I had boiled them. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. Then add in your salt. So at this point, guys, the water that you use to boil your meat, if you have it, use it. It's gonna make your soup thick. So next thing, we're going to add water. And stir in nicely and give it around 5 minutes for the spices to all blend in and incorporate nicely. And as simple as that, guys, I present to you my beef stew recipe. I know this has been amazing, informative, budget friendly, guys, and I present to you my beef stew. Look at that, guys. It looks amazing. I'm telling you, yummy is an understatement for such a dish. And that's why you need Koki's Kitchen in your life, guys. And till next time, you can let me know what you want to learn to cook. You can also tell me any other recipe, or you can also share with me how you do your beef stew, what you add in, what you don't add in. Yeah, so till next time, from me to you guys, bye bye. Let's subscribe. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I love you all.